Let's divide 108 by 2. Hey awesome learners! If you're having fun with math, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Let's Stud for more cool math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 108 by 2. We look at the first digit of 108, which is 1. Since 1 is smaller than 2, we can't divide it yet. We'll bring down the next digit 0 to make it 10. Now we have 10 to divide by 2. How many times does 2 fit into 10? Let's think. 2 times 5 is 10. So we write 5 in the quotient. Great job. You're doing fantastic. Keep that energy up. Now let's move to the next digit. We're on to the next part. We have our remainder 1 and we bring down the next digit 0 to make 10. We've already used the 1 and brought down the 0, so we have 10 to work with. How many times does 2 go into 10? You got it, 5 times. Let's check. 5 multiplied by 2 is indeed 10. Now we subtract 10 from 10, which leaves us with 0. Easy peasy. Woohoo, you're crushing it, almost there. Let's bring down the last digit to finish this up. Last step, we have our remainder 0 and we bring down the last digit 8. Now we have 8. We're using the last digit 8 to make our new number 8. What is 8 divided by 2? Think of your 2 times tables, it's 4. Let's check our work. 4 times 2 equals 8. Perfect. Subtracting 8 from 8 gives us 0. We have no remainder left. You did it, that's the final answer. High five. And that's how you divide 108 by 2. You're a math whiz. So 108 divided by 2 equals 54. We just learned how to divide 108 by 2 step by step. Remember, long division is like a puzzle, and you solved it like a math superstar. Great job, math explorers. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division pro in no time. See you in the next video.